In Orange County, it's not uncommon for me to come across a client that is uber equity rich, but cash poor. Their net worth is high, but their cash flow is low. This can be a real challenge when it comes to selling your home because sometimes prepping the home for sale requires cash. I mean, you could always sell the house as is and not do anything at all, but usually I can identify opportunities for homeowners where you can spend $1 and get $1.50 back. In other words, there's things you can do pre-sale to elevate the value of your home. Recently, I had a client with a condo in Aliso Viejo that had literally been gutted due to a major water leak. Due to her losing her tenant and having to deal with this big renovation project, she ended up falling behind on her mortgage. In this situation, we were actually able to partner with this client and facilitate catching her up on payments, as well as financing and assisting in the management of putting her place back together even better than it was originally. The result was that rather than selling this property to an investor at a substantial discount from market, we actually sold it at the very top of market in pristine condition. The remodel ended up costing about $130,000, but the property sold for about $220,000 more than it would have in the condition it was in. The difference was about a $90,000 spread in the seller's favor. Our client was very excited about taking a seemingly insurmountable obstacle and turning it into a huge win. If you or someone you know is in a situation where they are over their heads with a real estate challenge, please reach out to my team and I so that we can explore potential solutions and hopefully come up with a win. I'm Jordan Bennett with Jordan Bennett and Associates Real Estate Team. Like and subscribe for more great real estate tips.